go. That's a slight smile. All right, she's content and happy. Now let's introduce Woody. Yeah.
He's coming in. Hey there, Savannah. Hey, can I get in your face? Bless you, Brantley. Bless you. Hey there, Savannah. I'm just a cowboy. I just come over here to say hi.
I just playing.
Are you not interested in me?
Oh!
You're not interested in me, none. You better look at me. Look at me.
His eyes get so big.
Look at me. I'm right here. Hello, 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 hello.
Hey, I just messed Woody.
Okay.